professional athletes, are they not paid too much? Some of the websites are the pro athletes aren't paid too much, and the other is why professional athletes are actually underpaid. Athletes work well over a 40-hour work week in practice, study, workouts, game time. They put their careers on the line every time they go to work. How many people can say that? The contracts that they sign, like for a long-term 5-year contract for $100 million, they know that they won't get paid that, because most of those things they will not be able to get paid on until they are eligible to be a free agent.